A very warm welcome to all of you at TSPDL today. We are very happy to have you with us and to visit one of our steel service centers. As you all know, safety is a very critical factor for all of us at TSPDL. Safety comes first for all of us and for all our stakeholders, which includes employees, customers, suppliers, and visitors like you. As our guest, your safety is of paramount importance to us. A guide is going to accompany you throughout your visit with us today. I request you to follow his instructions very carefully, and please don't hesitate to ask him any questions if you have any doubts whatsoever. Please pay very careful attention to all the safety guidelines that we'll follow. And please remember to wear the helmet at all times when you're visiting the plant. In case you notice any unsafe practice or something which you think you should tell us, please do not hesitate to tell that to the guide. You can directly email to me at safety@tspdl.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day and a great visit.
फैसिलिटीज में आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। प्लांट में प्रवेश करने से पहले कृपया अपने सुरक्षा हेलमेट अवश्य पहन लें। अब हम आपको परिचित कराएंगे हमारे प्लांट के सुरक्षा नियमों से। कृपया उन पर ध्यान दें और उनका पालन करें। प्लांट के कई हिस्सों में कुछ खास सावधानी बरतनी जरूरी है। सुरक्षा हेलमेट और सुरक्षा जूतों के साथ अपने हैंड ग्लव्स, लेग गार्ड्स, आर्म गार्ड्स, सेफ्टी गॉगल्स और ईयर प्लग्स भी अवश्य पहन लें। अगर आपने ढीले कपड़े पहने हैं तो कृपया चलते हुए मशीन के निकट न जाएं। फैक्ट्री के चारों ओर जमीन पे बने निशानों पर कृपया ध्यान दें। मशीनों के पास बने हुए लाल रंग की रेखा को पार न करें। कॉयलों की लोडिंग और अनलोडिंग के दौरान एक सुरक्षित दूरी बरतें। तेज किनारे वाली जगहों से गुजरते वक्त सावधानी अवश्य परखें। ऊपरी क्रेन से सावधान रहें। प्लांट में प्रवेश करने के बाद निकास द्वारों को ठीक तरह से पहचान लें। कोई भी आपात स्थिति के वक्त कृपया आतंकित न हो। हम आपको सही सलामत निकटतम निकास द्वार के पास ले जाएंगे। कृपया अनुदेशों का अनुगामन करें। ज्वलनशील चीजों को प्लांट के भीतर न ले जाएं। इस प्लांट में धूम्रपान करना सख्त मना है। शुक्रिया धूम्रपान न करने के लिए। प्लांट में चलते समय कृपया मोबाइल पर बात न करें। बात करते वक्त चलना आपके लिए खतरनाक साबित हो सकता है। अगर आपकी तबीयत अचानक खराब हो जाती है तो शीघ्र ही हमें इत्तला करें। याद रखिए कि सुरक्षा दिशा निर्देश आप ही की सुरक्षा के लिए है। किसी भी तरह का संकोच हो तो हमें अवश्य बताएं। किसी भी तरह का सुझाव हो तो हमें बेझिझक बताएं। हमारे सुरक्षा किताब में अपनी टिप्पणी देना न भूलें। आपकी यात्रा सुरक्षित और मंगलमय हो।
I would like to share with you a few further thoughts of mine regarding safety and some other aspects of what we do in TSPDL. As you must be knowing that we are the largest steel service center in India. Perhaps we are the largest in Asia. But that does not satisfy me. That does not satisfy our directors. That does not satisfy all our stakeholders. We have clearly charted out what our priority issues are. And let me share with you and let me tell you that safety is the number one item of our agenda. Whether it's a board meeting, whether it's a review meeting which I take with my senior colleagues or any other employees or any other groups or bodies, safety is the first item to be discussed. Also, let me share with you that let's say 10 years ago, we had a large number of injuries rates. In fact, even 3 years ago, the number of injuries per year were approximately 300. Today we are down to 20. It is a tremendous work which has been done by a safety department, but more importantly, it is a work which has been done by you. Please remember that safety cannot be driven down by instructions. Safety requires training, but most important of all, safety requires a culture, which is called safety culture, which has to come from within. We have to talk safety, we have to walk safety, we have to behave safety, we have to believe in safety. I feel that we have traveled a long way. DuPont has been our advisor, Tata Steel has been hand-holding us in this aspect, and we have covered many miles. But even 20 injuries a year, which happened last year, is very good, but still not good enough till we get 0 injuries a year. My target this year is 0 injuries, and I'm pretty confident that with your cooperation and everyone, we are going to get it.